A bill that would ban most abortions in South Carolina is up for a final vote in the state Senate. The battle over what's called the fetal heartbeat bill has been mostly fought across party lines. But News 2's Katie Turner joins us live from the News 2 rooftop. And Katie, you heard from the sole Republican who says this bill cannot pass in its current state.
Yeah, Carolyn, Senator Sandy Senn from right here in the Lowcountry is very adamant on her position, saying there needs to be more exceptions before this gets made into a law. New additions to a strict abortion bill have stirred the pot in the South Carolina State House.
How does this relate to abortion?
The bill already banned all abortions if a heartbeat is detected, which could be as early as 6 weeks. Now, added exceptions would require rape and incest victims to alert their local sheriff before they can have an abortion.
This body feels that women, especially women of age, are not smart enough to make their own decisions as to whether they want to go to law enforcement and prosecute.
The 29-17 vote ultimately passed, but one Republican joined opposing Democrats.
Mrs. Senn, no.
That Republican, Charleston's own Senator Sandy Senn.
There's got to be a reason behind adding this. I just haven't.
That's my reason. That's my reason. It is so that if a violent crime has occurred, I want to get the guys off the street. I want to put them in prison.
She's not alone. Fellow Lowcountry Senator Marlon Kempson frustrated with the Senate's priorities.
Hours upon hours that we gonna spend debating the merits of an unconstitutional bill when we got people dying in the state of South Carolina due to COVID.
However, those in favor of the bill, including Governor Henry McMaster, making the argument unborn life needs to be protected.
In our state, we have had over 400,000 abortions. It's the approximate equivalent of every person in the county of Charleston wiped out by abortion.
The third and final reading of this bill will be happening in the Senate tomorrow. For now, live in Mount Pleasant, I'm Katie Turner. Count on 2.